And now, in terms of let's say prospects for mechanical engineering, uh, now we see a lot of boom in terms of solar energy, renewable energy, right? So, is that boom directly impacting the motivation people have towards mechanical? Like, is mechanical engineering's application directly applied to like startups who are booming in the renewable energy space?
Uh, Not directly, because we are not taught anything about energy. So like not energy, like renewable energy in general. I think there is a stream called sustainable engineering,
Hmm.
which they sustainability engineering or something like that. Yeah. So they actually get to learn about these different kinds of energies. But then we do get like jobs easily in these fields because we have some understanding of how these kind of technologies work in
Hmm.
general. So we like once we are done with mechanical engineering, if you are able to do some kind of certification or some kind of different course that helps you get into these fields, you will be much better off than like an IT engineer, computer science engineer, EXTC even. Electronics people can get much more easily into this.
Oh, into these.
Yeah, especially solar,
Hmm.
because the panels are pretty much electronics only.
Electronics.
Yeah,
And then what like how difficult it is for a mechanical engineer to get a job after bachelor's?
it's very not difficult. It's
Hmm.
not difficult. It's difficult to get a good paying job. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so at my time, the average salary for a mechanical engineer in DJ Sangvi was 2 lakh rupees per annum.
Like 80, this is like 7, 6 years back.
Yeah, seven and a
Seven and a
half,
half years
yeah,
back.
years
Okay.
back. So at that time, it was 2 lakh rupees per year, and now I think the average has gone up to 4 lakh rupees.
Oh god.
Yeah. So I know computer science, even back then they used to get 8 lakh. I think average
Correct.
was 8 lakh. There were people who would get 24, 25 as well. There was no one in mechanical who got 24, 25 at all. No one. Through campus, through outside, no one. So the maximum salary we got was five and a half.
Hmm.
5.5 lakhs. Yes, Blue Star.
And this is in mechanical space only, mechanical engineering space.
Yeah.
Okay, not the IT
Um,
job that people get.
No,
Okay.
even including IT, because IT roles were only restricted to the mass recruiters,
Okay.
right? No one else used to allow us. So if you consider your like specific companies, suppose I think JP
JP
Morgan was
Morgan.
there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So JP Morgan wouldn't allow mechanical engineers to even interview or sit for the exams.
Okay.
We were allowed for the normal ones, L&T, Infotech,
Wipro,
TCS,
TCS.
Infosys, yeah, Wipro, those kind of things. So those guys used to pay 4 lakh. Actually, it was three and a half lakhs at that
Okay.
time. Yeah. So IT companies only give you 3 to 4 lakhs. Those are mass recruiters. If you go into the very good, there was ZS actually that allowed us, GS, ZS.
JSON.
Yeah, that allowed us to interview. That was, I think, a good paying role, 8 lakhs, something like that. Mu Sigma also allowed us. So there were a couple of consulting companies as such
Hmm.
that allowed us to do to interview. But then others like core mechanical, you can't like that time you wouldn't go above 5 lakh,
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
And in terms of, let's say, for computer science, how we have hackathons where it's not like a team, but it's competitions held, and then you can go in 2, 3 days, you can perform, you can come back, right?
Mm.
Are there any similar competitions that mechanical people enter without joining a team? It's just like,
No,
no.
no. Say, individual competitions, I have not heard of any. Yeah, it was more of a team thing only,
Hmm.
because the things that you actually make are very complex. It's not a very straightforward thing that one person can do.
Correct.
Maybe you can register as an individual in these competitions, but you wouldn't stand a chance mostly.
Right.
Yeah, so most of it was teamwork only. Yeah.